Good morning, children. Today I am going to solve chapter 2nd for class 8 history. Very short question. First question is, why did European try to find out an alternative sea route in India? The solution is, the European tried to find out an alternative sea route in India because it became necessary for the European to direct sea route to the east because the demands of cotton, silk and spices. This resulted in great competition and less profit. Therefore, in order to gain profit, the European had to and a cheap source of supply for these products. Next question, make a list of Indian goods which were demand in Europe. Indian goods which were in demand in European are spices, silk, textile, indigo and saltpeter. Now third question, who was the first Indian to pass the civil service examination? The first Indian to pass the civil service examination was Satyendranath Tagore, brother of Rabindranath Tagore. Now come to fourth question. What were the two methods adopted by the British to establish their supremacy? The solution is, first, direct method of annexation, and second, an indirect method of annexation. Now come to short question. Why did the British clash with Siraj-ud-Dowla, the Bengal Nawab of Bengal? When Alverdi Khan died in 1756, Siraj-ud-Dowla became the Nawab of Bengal. He asked the British company to stop meddling in the political affairs of his domination. Stop fortification and pay revenues. After negotiation failed, the Nawab marched with 30,000 soldiers to English factory at Qasim Bazar, disarmed all the Englishmen and blocked English ship. Then he marched to Calcutta to establish control over the companies fought there. As a result, the British clashed with the Siraj-ud-Dowla. Now come to question second. How was the Battle of Plassey is a turning point in the Indian history? The first point is the conquest of Bengal by East India Company was turning point in the Indian history or history of India, as it marked the supremacy of the British rule in India. Now come to point second. This war boosted the prestige and morale of the British in India. They could establish themselves as a free trading company by capturing the rich revenues of Bengal They could be build up a strong army with the help of which they could rule over the whole country later. These all actions are taken by the British after the Battle of Plassey. As a result, the statement is true.